We're here at the Luminous 3 launch in Boston. I'm Tim Montague. Check out all of our content at cleanpowerhour.com. Welcome to the show, Jay Wong, CEO and founder of Luminous.
Thank you, Tim. Thanks for having me.
This is a long time in the coming, and I'm so excited to see the brawn that you're delivering here behind us. But tell us a little bit about the Luminous 3 and what is the problem that you're solving?
For sure. So this is our latest robot for module installation. It's just, we've been at it for months. It's just not just me. The whole team has been really putting our heads together and taking our learnings from Luminous 2 and bringing it into Lumi Series 3. This robot here, end to end, is about 3750 pounds. It's built in a way where it's meant to be the most flexible robot in this industry. What we want to do is be able to accommodate any type of flow of work or operations for any EPC. We want to be able to come in, learn about how you do things, whether your modules are staged or picked off of pallets or picked off of skiddies, and introduce a type of automation solution that doesn't have any type of barrier of entry. We come in, the robots get to work and throw modules. And this only happens because of our team. We've built an amazing mechanical solution. It's meant to operate a full shift. We can pick up modules that are up to almost 100 pounds. And we've developed an amazing gripping mechanism to be able to pick up modules, not just sunny side up, but from the reverse side, and throw these modules regardless of how they're presented so that they land properly and the leads point in the right way. You know, I'm sure all you EPCs have seen some of your crews throw modules up there and the leads point the wrong way. So that's actually a very difficult problem, right? Everything's reasoned off of AI, reasoned off of our computer vision and motion planning. The team's done an amazing job building this technology, both from the hardware side as well as the software side. And I'm super happy and really grateful that you guys are all here. Really proud of our team. We've been at it for many weeks at a time, and we've finally been able to build and realize this solution. And we're here to ship it into the industry to help you guys build and scale.
Compare and contrast the Lumi 2 and the Lumi 3 for us, if you would.
Yeah, for sure. The Lumi 2 here is a tracked vehicle. We've built and shipped Lumi Series 1 a while back, and we learned a couple things. You just can't use wheels at these construction sites. Very quickly, we went to a tracked vehicle, and at the same time, we went and tried to develop a couple interesting updates to that vehicle, both from the perception side so that we can go and pick modules and throw them correctly. And after all those learnings, we essentially just scaled it up, right? Lumi 3 and Lumi 2, it looks like it's a big scale up. Most of it's just, the tracked vehicle has just been scaled up at least 2x. Operational envelope, we've been really pushing the boundaries to at least get this thing be able to support 10 to 15 hours of operations at a time. And I think probably the most important thing is flexibility to the flow of work, right? I think we've just spent so much time with this industry. There's so much risk related to just building and scaling renewable energy at scale. And I think what we can do, we're really good at building robots. We're not the best construction guys, right? So you guys tell us what you need. We build these robots, we conform this flexibility to your flow of work, and we ship and scale renewables at a pace that's never been seen before in this history of the industry. That's our goal. That's our mission, and what you're seeing is the result of that goal and that mission.
And when will the Lumi 3 be shipping?
Lumi 3 is going out the door in a couple days. We are going to a couple sites. We're doing a nice tour across the US. We're going to be starting to build some solar fields, and we'll be making some really crazy announcements across the next couple months. I think some of these things have never been seen before in the history of this industry. And I'm super excited and really proud of our team getting there, getting where we're at. Really appreciate you too as well, Tim. Wouldn't be here without you.
All right, thank you so much, Jay. Really appreciate that. I'm Tim Montague. Check out all of our content at cleanpowerhour.com. Please give us a rating and a review on Apple and Spotify, and let's grow solar.